Alright everyone, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. So today I got my day started earlier than usual because I was trying to edit the first Vlogmas video so I could get it out on the first day. Yes, it's complicated. There's several things I've been doing. I recently got it cut and I'm still kind of figuring out what I like in my hair right now. These are the products I used when my hair was quite a bit longer, but we're trying new things right now. These are my favorite hairstyling products. Ignore this. I touched that and now we have a Pitbull sticker on there to just help it calm down. My face has been breaking out so much. I think it's like a mixture of lack of sleep, stress, and hormones. So literally a cocktail of all of the above is just messing with my skin right now. I have been loving this Color Wow Extra Large Bombshell Volumizer. I've never really used mousse or found that much success with mousses that I've tried so far because I don't like the feel that they give my hair. But this one I can tell makes like a noticeable difference whenever I use it. I've also been using this Amika, the Shield Anti-Humidity Spray. The Color Wow one, just kind of depending on the day and what I want to use in my hair. I think they're both pretty solid for me. I've heard some people talk about how the Color Wow didn't work for their hair, but so far for mine I think it does. But I also like the Amika one because it smells good. So I have those two, depending on how I feel. And I also have been using this Living Proof Triple Bond Complex, is that what it says? I recently got the full size of these because they were on sale at Sephora, so I picked two of them up because they were like 50% off. How could I say no to that? There's a lot of hair care things because I really don't want my hair to like damage. It has been the K-Teen mask. This one I use the least out of all of them just because it's the most expensive product out of all the ones that I have. Although if you do want to see results, you need to use it consistently. I feel like my hair is healthy enough that I don't really need to do that. If your hair's treated or if it's bleached or anything of those sorts, you should, if you can, use this often. Last time I remember talking to all of you about how I'm in a fantasy football league. And this might apply to some of you, this might not mean anything to any of you, but I have Christian McCaffrey on my team, and unfortunately he has injured himself. He recently came off the injured reserve list, and now he's back on it because he did something to his knee in the last game, which... hate to see it. All I have to say is hate to see it. I hope he recovers. This Aqueous hair towel, that's why I liked it so much. I liked it so much that I bought one for literally all my friends. I wouldn't have bought it if I didn't like it or if I didn't think it was good, but so far I like it. I initially wanted to get the Crown Affair one, but that one was not at Winners. Point blank, it was not at Winners. So I was like, oh, I don't want to spend, I think it was like almost $70 on a hair towel because that felt quite a bit excessive. Even spending $10 on a hair towel or $15 on a hair towel feels like a bit much, but compared to $70, it was a lot more palatable. And when my hair was longer, I love blowing out my hair. I only just figured out this year how to actually use the round brush on my air wrap. Before that, I was using the curling attachments, which I did like, but my hair at that point was so long that it was just not curling or holding the curl. So I actually cut off quite a bit of my hair. I think I cut off about 4 inches of my hair. I'm still getting used to it. I thought I really liked it at first, which I still do, but I like it more so because it's so much easier to maintain than when I had the extra 4 inches of hair, because that was a huge pain in my butt, I'm not gonna lie. And that's why I was just so over it, and I'm like, okay, just cut off all my hair. This time of year, my hair was getting caught in my parkas, my scarves, my seatbelt, everything, and I hated that. So I'm like, I'm just gonna cut it all off. Whenever I was blowing up my hair, it just wasn't holding, or it wasn't like, the volume isn't there, it just kept falling. Even when I had a heated round brush, because I would use the one from Jen Atkin, it would hold the volume. I did all the tricks. If you have a trick, I think now that my hair's lighter, it's actually a lot easier to hold the volume, but when my hair was long, I used rollers. I would cool set my hair. I would add hairspray. I had so many hair extending like products, but still none of them were kind of doing much when I realized I needed to get a haircut. So I'm just using up the rest of this one just because I bought the full size one, so I figured I might as well finish up the packaging on this, or whatever product is left. So that's how much I have in my hand. And then I'm just gonna run it through my hair. I should have brushed my hair out before running the product through it, but I'll brush my hair after. Today's Cyber Monday, so I'm finishing the last bit of sales that I can before Boxing Day for Christmas gifts. So I'll probably be going out tonight to another mall to look for last minute gifts because I saw that today Bath & Body Works is having a 40% off everything sale. And even if I don't get gifts for others, I really want to get myself a candle holder because I love a seasonal candle holder. But we'll see. I have some from last year which I could just use. I like using my air wrap. I really like using just my regular T3 blow dryer for my hair. I feel like it works better at coating everything. The air wrap works fine, but it's kind of loud, and I prefer to use this one to dry my scalp before I go in with the round brush attachment. You could do, because I do have the round brushes, the conventional old way of doing, like, you know, the round brush thing, but I don't like using both my arms at once. It feels like a lot of work, and I feel like I already have enough troubles using just the air wrap alone. Adding the additional tool to actually straighten out my hair, I always give props to stylists because that's a lot. This one I actually got at Costco a couple of years ago, and I've loved it since. There was a while ago that Costco had T3 appliances in Canada, and I bought all of them whenever I could because they were a really good deal, and T3 is a really good hair brand. This isn't a plug, it's just I've used it and I love it. And I also have a curling iron from them and I love that thing too. Not the most affordable when they're not at Costco. I also have the Olaplex oil, but that one makes my skin break out. I think that might be the first cause of my skin breaking out because it really, really doesn't like that oil. And I didn't tell my hairstylist when I got my hair cut, so she, like, not by fault of her own, just used it in my hair, and then my face started to break out almost immediately from it. So I think I might either have an allergic reaction to one of the products or one of the ingredients in there or something like that. No, I don't think I have enough time for a blowout today. We're just gonna blow dry my hair because I'm getting my lashes filled, and I haven't done that in like 4 weeks because I haven't really had any events. So I've been letting my lashes kind of rest, and as you can see, we're down to like 3 lashes to my name. Okay, I don't have as much time to air wrap my hair, so we're gonna try the round brush again. It's not gonna be as good as the air wrap just because I'm not gonna do like a thorough job, but I just want movement in my hair. So this is my haphazard way of how I've been round brushing my hair, or giving my hair a slight blowout. Do you see that volume around my head? It worked just enough. I didn't care enough to like round brush my ends because I'd rather have them just fall a little bit flatter. I'm just gonna pop in a quick roller in like my bangs face framing layers just to hold that well enough on the sides to just keep the volume while it sets, and this one here on this side to keep the volume while it sets. Oh, I'm getting so hot from using the blow dryer. Okay. Alright, so this is my outfit. This jacket's from Uniqlo a couple years ago, and apparently it's really cold today, so I'm gonna bundle up with this. Look at the volume in my hair once again. Look at that. Like, the bang's just banging. I don't know if I'm gonna keep the pimple sticker there. Like, I'm bothering myself with it. So we're just gonna keep it on. And I'm just gonna use these ones. I got these from my brother a couple years ago. Roxy's trying to sneak her way into coming with me. Roxy, I see you. No, mommy not taking you. I'm going to get my eyelashes done. You stay here with dad. She is the silliest little dog. She's making these noises to remind me that she's still here. Like her being upset I'm not taking her. Yeah, she's just as dramatic as I am. Not my skin going through it. And I picked at it too, so it's gonna take even longer to heal. That's on me. That's on me. I keep more of these alligator clips in my car too, for when I really want my volume in my hair to stay, especially when it was really heavy and really long. It also just helps the hair from staying in my face. It's so foggy today. Oh my god. It's so dark right now, I feel like I'm in a movie. It's like 5 o'clock, but it's so dark. Look at that, look at the road. Ugh, I hate this. I hate being cold. I hate that it's dark so early. Apparently I love to complain though. So now I'm gonna be on my way back home, and I think I'm gonna go to the mall after that so I can get some last minute gifts since it's Cyber Monday. Looking all... my skin. Ugh! I'm still so upset about this. Just look at the road, it's so dark and foggy. This lighting is doing me no favors. I'll do a better shot when I get back home. Oh, my sticker is lifting, but she is fighting a war in of herself. Alright, so I just got back home, and now you could probably have a better look at my eyelashes. They turned out so good. And I'm always so happy with how my eyelashes turn out with Laïna. I used to get like a hybrid, but now I'm leaning more back towards classics because my eyelashes did not like hybrid. It was kind of the fans would twist a little bit because my lashes are just so straight. And it was just having issues, so now we went back to like, it's like, she calls it a wet set with classic. So it looks classic, but there's like really small fans in my lashes. It's 20 bucks, all 20, well, it's 20% off today.
20% off 20 bucks. It's $2 off.
I'm not gonna lie, I didn't realize like those got so expensive as of late. Like they're all like $50 or at least $85. Oh my god. That one's 110. Look at how cute this is. It's a lamp. That's a flower. It's so cute. I found more towels. No, this one's not bad. I don't know why this was triggering a memory. I don't like it anymore. I don't like that one. I like this. You keep making fun of me for it.
Looking at it.
But it's so cute.
It's awful. It looks like...
Look, we found a piece of sushi, which he said looks like a puke again. But you can see the rice and the little piece of salmon on there.
Looks like something that would come out of your dog's butt.
No, it's a sushi. It even says fast
foodie. You wouldn't be eating that sushi if you got served that.
It says fast foodie. Look at it. It's so cool. I don't know how you can hate on it. It's a tractor. A practical use vehicle.
This is for Hot Wheels.
I got another practical use vehicle right here. See, this fulfills orders. And this one helps us eat because it's a tractor. And then,
it sounds like an after-school
and then this one lets you go to school because it's a bus. Look at all the letters on there. I'm 1500.
What's this in?
You can get them a sprinkle donut.
Sprinkled donuts? Stop getting food ones.
Well, that's the ones they have here.
What do you want a food one?
So you don't have my tenacity to go through every single one of them.
First of all, my knees don't bend that.
The avalanche